Hello and welcome to DUI 101. My name is Lee O'Reilly. The purpose of this website is to give you as much information as we can about your DUI. So you can go from a very simple gradation all the way down to getting into the law in depth if you want on this site. We have divided the site up into a number of general categories. The first one is the law, and we'll explain what DUIs are, how you can get them, and generally speaking, what the law is about them. Most people are surprised, for example, to learn that if you're drunk driving on a golf cart or driving under the influence on a golf cart, that constitutes a DUI, any motorized vehicle. The next section is defenses, where we highlight some of the common defenses that people use in protecting themselves from a DUI conviction. And then, of course, after that, we have the process. How does the court process work? How does the DMV process work? And then how do they interrelate with each other? This is important because the process is actually quite complex, particularly as it relates to the Department of Motor Vehicles and license suspensions. Then we've also put a collection of manuals on site, including my favorite, which is the CHP DUI Enforcement Manual. This is the manual that is given to police officers to investigate DUIs with, and you can use that manual as sort of a cross-check on the behavior of the officer who arrested you. We also have the judge's DUI bench book, which shows how judges look at DUIs and generally the kind of factors that they're looking for in determining how to penalize someone who's been convicted. And then finally, we have a section on the penalties themselves. The penalties in a DUI are complex, and they really do require a pretty good knowledge. You can find out actually what the penalties are by talking to a public defender, and pretty much any attorney who's worth their salt can tell you what the penalties are on a first phone call by just asking a few questions. If you have any questions or comments concerning anything that's on this website, you can call us at 408-283-0574. Also, if you're looking for information on license suspension in general and not as it relates to a DUI. So if, for example, your license is suspended because of diabetes or a stroke or a seizure or too many traffic tickets or a failure to appear in court, go to licensesuspensionca.com, licensesuspensionca.com, and you can get all the information you need there. And thanks for watching.